Hello kids, let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. We are going to write the uppercase Q. Start at the top and create a circle around and draw a small line going to the right. Let's continue writing the lowercase q. Start in the middle line and make a curved line going back to the left and go back to the middle line and draw a vertical line. From the bottom, draw a small line going up to the right. Good job! You are getting better with each try. Keep on practicing. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!